This video will show you how to install the Divi theme in a blank WordPress website. Remember, Host Magi provides you the Divi theme at no cost, including a license key. We will show you how to install and activate Divi. Alternatively, you can use one of our Divi site templates to automatically install and activate Divi without having to go through these steps. This video assumes that you've already downloaded Divi from the link that we provide to you. Once you've done that, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and Themes. Now select Add New Theme. Select Upload Theme. Navigate to the file on your device where you downloaded the Divi compressed file. Select that file and open it. Then click Install Now. Next, click Activate. Now you need to activate the Divi license. There are two ways to do this. If you are providing your own license, then simply log in using your own Elegant Themes account by clicking the Log In to activate your license option. If you are using the Host Magi license that we provide for you, go to Theme Options, Updates, enter in the username that we provided for you, then enter in the API key we provided to you. Click on Save Changes. Once that green check appears, you have successfully activated the Divi theme license. Go to Dashboard to confirm. If you see this, your Divi license key is active. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your Divi license. If you have any trouble with this, please do not hesitate to head to our support site, submit a ticket, and one of our friendly representatives will be with you very quickly to help you get it sorted out and get you going. Thanks for choosing Host Magi, and we hope you enjoy the Divi theme.